Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NomadsBits. In today's video, we are going to talk about limitations and advancement of second generation computer. And before moving forward, this is how an assembly program looks like, which is first line org100 start assembly at memory address 100. These are the instructions that CPU have to follow these instructions in order to give output according to this. In this program, we try to add two numbers. So yeah, this is the example of IBM 1401 assembly codes program. So now let's see advancement of second generation computer. Advancement: transistors replaced by vacuum tubes, smaller, faster, energy efficient, and reliable than vacuum tubes that was used in first generation computer. Smaller in size, computers become physically smaller compared to room size first generation machine. Faster processing, its speed increases from millisecond to microseconds, thousands of instructions per second. Less heat generation, transistor generated less heat and consume less power. Assembly language introduced, easier programming compared to binary, could use mnemonics like load, add, etc. Higher reliability, machine broke down less often than first generation vacuum tube systems. Stored program concept, programs could be stored in memory, not hardware, easier to update and reuse. Use of magnetic core memory, faster, reliable memory replace electrostatic memory like Williams tubes. Batch processing system allowed automatic execution of sequence of jobs via job control instructions. Use magnetic tapes and disks. Allow sequential and later random access to large volumes of data. Batch processing system is also known as first operating systems for second generation computer. In first generation computer, we do not use any OS, but in second generation computer, we start using OS as a batch processing system. So yeah, that's it. These are the advancement of second generation computer. Moving on forward, we have limitations of second generation computer. Limitations are still very large and costly. Although smaller than first generation, it still took up whole rooms and very expensive to maintain, to own and maintain. Require especially trained operators. Only 10 personnel could operate and program the system, not even for personal use. Programming is still low level. Assembly language was better than machine code, but still difficult and error prone. Limited portability. Machines were not easily movable or upgradable. No interactive processing. No real-time and interactive system. Mainly batch processing. No keyboard monitor for users. Limited software support. Few high-level languages, mainly assembly or early level language like Fortran and COBOL. No graphical output. Only punch cards, line printers, and simple lights. No screens or display. Output was low. Card readers and printers were bottlenecks despite faster internal speeds. So these are the limitations of second generation computer. Some extra information. During the period of second generation, some advanced programming language also emerges in this period, like Fortran and COBOL. These languages are known as high-level programming languages. And high-level programming language first emerged in second generation, 1956 to 1963. Fortran, developed by IBM in 1950s, and COBOL, developed later for business application. Where major milestone, these languages allow programmers to write code in more human-readable form rather than low-level assembly or machine code. Due to the advancement with Fortran and COBOL, you could write program closer to closer to English language, and the compiler translated your high-level code into a machine code for you. That saves time, reduces error, and open programming to more people. So language, Fortran, the full Fortran stands for formula translation, used for purpose like scientific and mathematical computing, and invented by IBM in 1957. Similarly, COBOL, which stands for Common Business Oriented Language, used for business data processing, that was invented in 1959 by US DoD plus IBM plus some other companies. So that's it. These are the limitations and advancement and some informations about second generation computer. That's it for today. Thank you.